How to back up chat history in Line. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your chat history in the Line app to keep your messages safe. First, open the Line app on your phone. Now tap the Home tab at the bottom left and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Here, scroll down until you see Chats. Now tap on Chats. Here you can see Chat History Backup. Tap on it. Now you can tap Backup now. Now you can just tap enter your backup pin, enter it. Now once you set your backup pin, tap the send button. Now make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and have enough storage space in your cloud account. Now once the backup is complete, your chat history will be safely stored and can be restored if you reinstall Line or switch devices. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.